showing y'all the tools that I use to prep my feet at home. Of course, I use a drill. If you don't have a drill, you can always use a hand file. I'm going to use drill bits. I got these from Amazon. I also have my Beauty Secrets nail file that y'all know I love. Some nippers and flat top nail clippers. Flat top nail clippers are important for me for my shape. I also have this little foot tool by Onyx from Walmart. And a foot stone or sponge, a nail brush. And then I have a foot scrub that I didn't end up using. Well, body polish. I use it on my feet. And then I have some Epsom salt for swelling and pain. I also have this stargazing and meditation foam bath from Bath and Body Works. This hot pink gel nail polish. I'm also going to be using my Onyx Soak Off to clean up any mess that I know I'm going to make because I suck at polishing. Q-tips, and of course the foot spa. I got this one from Walmart. It's like the cheap $20 one, but it got the job done. Alright, so what we're working on is getting our feet back extremely soft. As y'all can see, my feet are dry. They're not cracked. This is just the lines that are naturally in feet. They're just ashy. So we're going to be cleaning that up and getting that silky smooth. I like to start with my cuticles around my toes, and I'm going to be using this drill bit. It's a tiny round drill bit with a flat top, so I know that it's not going to cut or injure my cuticles. So I'm going to start by cleaning that up. Now that we have all of the dead skin removed from around the cuticle, I'm going to go ahead and start shaping my toenails into the shape that I want, and I'm going for the really clean square look. Now that I have the shape that I want, I'm going to go in again with a smaller, pointier drill bit, and I'm going to clean up this space in between where the nail bed meets the cuticle wall. So I'm satisfied with the cleanup and shape of my toenails. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare the foot bath. I like to fill this up to the max line. And I also like to use water as hot as I can stand it. Now, if you can't stand hot water, just use the temperature that you like. But I prefer hot water because I feel like it gets my feet softer quicker. And it softens up the dead skin quicker as well. And then I added about 2 handfuls of Epsom salt and some of the bubbles that I showed you guys. Now, don't add too many because I did, and with the bubbles in the machine, it's going to be a mess. Hence why I put a towel down on the floor. I do have wood floors, and I want to keep them protected. So if you want to do that, you can put a towel down, or if you trust yourself, don't put a towel down. But the towel is also going to act as a cleanup mechanism for any dead skin, toenail clippings, whatever else, to make it easier to clean up. Now all you have to do is put on your favorite show and just relax. After soaking for about 30 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the callus remover and take this around my toes because my toes are really soft, so I don't want to use too much pressure or anything too rough, and this is perfect for that. Next, we'll go in with the mini rasp and go on the sides of my feet and the heels. As you can see, this is where I get most of my dead skin, so I am going to apply a little more pressure, and I'm also going to use it on the soles of my feet. Now that my feet are exceptionally smooth and soft, I'm going to go ahead with my polishing. Some people like it, some people don't. I'm going to use a base coat and a top coat. And the color of choice, of course, is this pink that I showed y'all in the beginning of the video. I tend to use darker colors or colors that I can layer on because, as you can see, I have a mark on the center of my toe, and it is from a childhood injury. And also, some of us girls get hair on our toes. I just put a little bit of Veet hair remover, and it's like it never exists. So I cure 60 seconds in between each layer, and these are the results, and I'm gonna make me a few dollars. Thanks for watching so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you please. Bye.